New HAWKER Aero GPUs. They use the latest lithium ferrophosphate technology, which makes them 60% lighter and 30% smaller than lead-acid GPUs. There are two types, one of 15 kilograms and one of 30 kilograms. Each of them has a 26-volt and 28-volt version that reaches peaks of 27A and 5500A, respectively. In addition, the 30 kilogram has twice the charging capacity of the 15 kilogram. The batteries have been subjected to the laboratory tests you have on display, meeting the highest standards of quality and safety, obtaining the UN 38.3 certification. If you need to, you can easily connect with one of our rectifiers. It is the only portable GPU on the market with this function. At the push of a button, you can see at any time how much charge you have. It is compatible with most helicopters and turboprop aircraft. It's great, it's useful, it's safe, it's HAWKER Aero.